sales for Stellantis brands have sharply declined, with Dodge experiencing an alarming 67% drop since 2013. This drastic downturn indicates a significant market failure, underscoring the urgent need for strategic transformation. A staggering backlog of 1.4 million unsold vehicles highlights the company's inventory crisis, originating from previous supply chain disruptions and a misalignment with consumer preferences. This situation exacerbates their financial difficulties. Criticism surrounding CEO Carlos Tavares' short-term strategies raises concerns among dealers. They worry that the focus on immediate profits over sustainable growth could potentially lead to severe repercussions for the company. Consequently, many dealers are feeling the financial pressure as unsold vehicles accumulate, which fuels their dissatisfaction with Stellantis' current approach. This predicament casts doubt on the sustainability of their operations. The launch of Stellantis' new Hurricane engine has ignited discussions about consumer preferences, particularly as many loyal customers favor traditional V8 engines for their performance. This shift could have a negative impact on sales. In contrast, Stellantis' hesitance to increase incentive spending stands in stark relief to competitors who are ramping up promotions to attract buyers. This decision further strains dealers amidst escalating financial challenges. Rising vehicle prices are creating significant affordability challenges for consumers, heavily influencing their purchasing decisions in the current economic landscape. This situation is further complicated by increasing interest rates. Jeep is facing a substantial decline in sales, with a 44% decrease since 2018. This marks the brand's struggle to maintain its position in an increasingly competitive market. As a result, customer dissatisfaction is on the rise, highlighted by declining loyalty among Jeep owners. This trend indicates a migration towards competing brands that offer greater value and enhanced features. The excessive inventory of the Dodge Hornet is problematic, with approximately 550 days' worth of unsold supply on dealer lots. This situation reveals a significant disconnect between consumer preferences and Dodge's current offerings. Moreover, Dodge's pivot towards electrification is receiving mixed feedback, as loyal enthusiasts voice concerns about losing the raw power characteristic of traditional muscle cars. This shift risks alienating their dedicated customer base. Dealers are increasingly vocal about their frustrations regarding Dodge's product strategy, feeling the financial burden of unsold inventory. This disconnect between corporate decisions and dealer needs is reflected in declining sales figures. Maserati's CEO acknowledges that the sales downturn results from a failure to connect with potential customers, despite having the right vehicles and technology. This disconnect has severely hampered their visibility in the market. The discontinuation of key models such as the Ghibli and Levant has negatively impacted Maserati's sales performance. Their only remaining high-volume model, the Grey Kale, has also experienced a significant decline in European sales. Maserati's transition to electric vehicles is progressing slowly, with new models not expected until 2027 and 2028. This delay presents challenges as the market rapidly shifts towards EVs, complicating their competitive positioning. The entry-level tradesman model is priced around $42,715, while the high-performance Ram 1500 TRX costs approximately $98,335. This broad price range significantly influences consumer choices. Economic elements such as inflation and rising interest rates are fueling consumer hesitance. Many potential buyers are delaying their purchasing decisions or exploring alternatives that offer better value for their money. In response, competitors like Ford and Chevrolet are strategically pricing their trucks lower to appeal to buyers. This pricing tactic poses a challenge for Ram as it seeks to maintain its market share.